All right, so we've got some new packs. We've got 2016 Heritage Baseball Topps. Today's Stars in 1967 design. So I've got 3 packs of Hobby, and I also was lucky enough to get the top loader. I mean, not the box topper. So, which is pretty cool. I like this advertising panel with 3 baseball cards in one. Alright, I'm going to open that up separately. Right now I'm going to open up 2 of these packs, and we'll get to the other 2 next time. So, let's see what we got here. Back of the pack. Alright, let's see if we get lucky. Let's see. Chip Hale, manager. Roberto Osuna. I like the cards, really nice design. 1967. James Looney. The Angels card. Tony Perez. Oh, that's a sweet one. Nick Castellanos. AL 2015 RBI leaders. Darren O'Day. Alfred Simon. Oh, and Alfred Simon. That was pack number 1. We'll open 1 more pack, and the next video I'll get into the box topper. Exciting. Let's see, Orioles card. Nice and thick. Almost thought there was 2 cards in there. J.D. Martinez. Hunter Pence. Santiago Casilla. Byron Buxton. Anthony Rizzo. Gio Gonzalez. Wade Miley. And Logan Morrison. All right. So to rehash what we've got here. All right, that's first couple packs of Topps Heritage 2016. Thank you for watching.